Hello, my name is Scott Hamlin, and I'm going to demonstrate the shoot to win Advergame right now for you. This is a very simple Advergame. You shoot a few objects and then you can move on. I'm going to quickly demonstrate that. The object bounces around, you shoot it, and once you shoot a couple of times, it's going to take you to the call to action screen. And so this is very simple and easy to customize. The art in this is very simple, so it's easy to customize. I've got the library open here, and we've got two different aliens. You can replace those with different art, and then we've got a crosshairs art you can use or replace. And then we've got the background, and it's really that easy. Adding your text and whatever you want as well. Then we have the code that's in the shooting game custom.as, and that's custom code that you can customize how the game behaves. The first line here, for example, is how many times you're going to shoot before it moves on. As you saw, we just shoot twice and then it moves to the call to action screen. You can change that to any number you want. The target speed here is set to 5, which is pretty much a medium speed. You can use a smaller number to slow it down or a faster number to speed it up. A couple lines down is the destination, so we've got that set to our Facebook fan page, but you can change that to whatever URL you're trying to promote. A couple items down here, we've got two modes, an auto mode and we've got a click mode. The auto mode, if set to Y or yes, would automatically go to this URL after this amount of time has passed in the auto mode time number. This is set in milliseconds, so if you want to set it to say go in 2.5 seconds, you can just cut that number in half. If the click mode is on, then they have to click on the button to go to that URL. You can have both set to yes, and so if they click on the button first, it'll go there, or after the auto mode time passes, it will go automatically. So you can have both happen. So that's how you customize the shoot to win game. Very simple, very easy. Here's a couple quick ideas to use this game. You could set it for politics, for instance. If you know that your market is heavily Democratic, you could maybe have them shoot a famous Republican face or vice versa. You can have shoot celebrities, you can shoot the competition. You can make the point, are you hitting your target market? Are you accomplishing your goals, that kind of thing? Are you shooting for this, shooting for that? Those are the kind of ideas that you can use with this game. There is also an Advergame that's included for free. It's called the Which One Is game. And this is just kind of barely a game, but I'll quickly demonstrate it here. Really, it's saying where would you rather be? You can, do you want to be shopping in New York, or do you want to be, hanging out on the beach? And so you can click on either one. If you click on one of them, you'll see that image, and so there's sort of two destination or call to action pages. You can see that's set to automatic. It popped over to our Facebook fan page right away, automatically. So, or I can click here to go there as well. So this game does not use scenes either. There's just 3 frames. There's the first frame where you put the art, either or. In this case, I was kind of liberal about allowing things to go off the stage, but you can go ahead and put art here. A couple ideas would be who's hot, who's not, maybe pictures of some celebrities or people who work in your office or things like that. Just whatever gets someone to choose between one thing or the other. And then there's 2 screens that basically represent the 2 selections that they made. The code that you can customize is also in the custom.as. It's very simple to customize. You've got just the URL that it goes to when they click. You've got the auto mode and you've got the click mode as I showed you in the shooting game. And the Which One Advergame does come in the same 5 standard games, and that is included with the shoot to win custom game absolutely free. So you can get the shoot to win Advergame here at Games in a Flash. The URL is gamesinaflash.myshopify.com, products shoot to win Advergame. And you can see we're licensing this for $45, but if you type in Advergame and then the number 5, that's Advergame and the number 5, I'm going to do that uppercase, A, Advergame and the number 5, and get $5 off of that. Get a little savings there, and you can grab both of these Advergames for $40. I'll put the URL down here below the video here at the bottom. I'm kind of pointing my little arrow towards it, and you can click on that if you're looking at this on YouTube. Thanks a lot, and happy Advergaming.